You're getting another breaking input now. National Investigation Agency is carrying out searches in 22 locations across 5 states and the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir in a terror conspiracy case. Joining me on this broadcast is CNN News 18's Tejinder Singh Sodhi. Tejinder, what exactly is the connection of this raid that is being done by the NIA at this point?
The NIA is carrying out raids, as you rightly pointed out, at 22 locations across 5 states and the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. This is a case which NIA had registered this year itself. It is regarding terror funding, financing terror activities from across the border, and also carrying out terror attacks across the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. So in this connection, raids are being carried across the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir and 5 states. What the sources are telling us that raids are being carried out on the houses of OGWs, especially in Baramulla's Patan area, South Kashmir's Pulwama, Anantnag, and several other areas are being raided. Though NIA right now says that raids are underway, but several documents which clearly point out to the fact that how money is being crossed the line of control in the forms of drugs, narcotics, to fund the terror activities and to carry out terror attacks across the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. There has been an increase in the incidents of radicalization of the youth, and to check that the NIA has been carrying out this raid, we are told that an attempt is being made from across the line of control to radicalize the youth across Jammu and Kashmir to take up guns. So that is the reason that raids are being carried out right now. So the raids are right now underway in 22 locations across 5 states and in Jammu and Kashmir as well. Yes.
All right. So there are, in fact, 22 locations across 5 states, including Jammu and Kashmir, where the raid is going on. I'm also joined by Arunima. Arunima, what are the other 5 states where the raid is going on right now? What are you picking up?
So NIA is being tight-lipped at the moment because, their searches are still underway. They do not really want to alert the suspects. So details are still sketchy at the moment. What we are told is that, this is a pan-India search that is being carried out. And the focus is terror financing. If you see ever since, Baisaran attacks have happened, financing of these terrorist groups, especially TRF, has been under constant focus. But are there other groups as well? I mean, groups down south like HUT, groups like Lashkar, who are also actively collaborating, colluding. That's also part of NIA's investigation. So these searches that are being carried out are interesting in that regard too.
Yes. Many thanks, Arunima, for getting us all those details.